so I got some thinly sliced chicken breast fillets that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use some of this broccoli to add with some of this roasted chicken, and let's see if we can make something magical out of this. I'll be back. Okay, so I need some olive oil. I'm going to take a couple of slices of and we're going to let these cook for a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, peeps, so this is what the turkey breast look like. Nice, golden, beautiful brown. I think I'm going to cook a couple of more pieces. I think I'm going to put some more broccoli in this. Let's go ahead and get this breast cut up a little bit. And yes, I've tasted this breast. It's absolutely scrumptious. And this breast was pretty much just cooked in a frying pan with just olive oil. Oops. Look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Absolutely does. Oh. Oh, mouth watering. So what I'm going to do is this thinly sliced chicken breast. There's a couple more slices in it. I'm just going ahead and knock this off. That will eliminate I'm going to let this simmer for a little bit longer. But what I'm going to add to it is this rice from the previous video I made. And I think I may have to use another bag because I don't think this is going to be enough. All right, folks, I'm gonna let this stew for a little bit, and I'll be because this rice is so bland and it doesn't really have much of kick to it. I'm going to add a little bit of cream of chicken soup to it to give it a little bang bang. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We're going to let this simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to do a quick taste test. I'll be back. Oh, going to add an onion while I'm at it. Hey peeps, this is what it looks like. This is the rice that I made earlier. I put some broccoli in it with some chicken breast, and I put some chicken soup. I think that's what it was. Because the rice is so bland, I was hoping to make something out of it. Wow, that's actually okay. So it has like almost a roasted smell to it, but I think adding the chicken soup to it actually gave it more bang for the buck, because the rice itself was very bland, even though it's allegedly supposed to be roasted chicken. Wow, this is actually pretty good, if I do say so myself. Easy to cook. I just took the thinly sliced chicken breast, put it on the frying pan, add some olive oil, cook it, cut it up in pieces. The rice itself was microwavable, so all I had to do to put that in the microwave. And the broccoli itself was frozen, so I just had to heat that up. Let it all marinate and throw a little bit of chicken soup in it. How would I rate this? I give it a good 7-8. Not bad. Something easily affordable to make. Quick to make for the home. But I tell you, it does sure taste good. Those big chunks of chicken breast don't hurt at all. So, until next time, family, eat healthy, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.